Here I've got SONY Xperia 1.2 and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open sound, and here just locate and click on phone ringtone. And let me show you all the options that you can apply, starting with air. And then just pick the one that you like the most. Let me pick, for example, digital phone, tap on OK, and as you can see it has been changed. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.